Welcome to solverfy.
29.38. So we imagine that we put a diffraction grating between a camera and some streetlights, or you could just, look at it through a diffraction, or look at the streetlights through a diffraction grating. And what would you expect to see? So this depends on how exactly the streetlights work, which is not an entirely helpful answer at this point. Depends on type of light. However, in a few places earlier in the book, it's mentioned that one of the most common types of street lights are sodium vapor lamps, which emit more or less monochromatic yellow light. It's sort of a orangey yellow sort of color. So then if you looked at this through a diffraction grating, since the light is already monochromatic, you're not going to see it split into a bunch of different colors. You're just going to see sort of a lot of fringes that are all yellow, because the interference pattern will still occur from this. It just won't split the light into different colors because there's only one color to begin with. And in fact, they'll sort of actually look like sort of copies of the light rather than just fringes, because the light is sort of an extended source of light, not a point source. So actually / copies of lamp. And you can actually get a hold of diffraction gratings relatively easily that are, for like scientific demonstrations and stuff. And it's kind of fun to go around and look at different sources of light and things through them. And you can go and, verify whether this is right for yourself.